take the seat cushion off, you have this lever right here, this one, to slide the bottom. You basically pull it up, slide the seat forward, and just wiggle it until it come off. All right, you see these two plastic tabs right here? 1, 2. That locks into there. So basically, when you slide it forward, this is what you're wiggling to pull the tabs out of there, and that's what you're aiming for when you reinstall. So have them on the back and the front. So you want to make sure everything lined back up. This part of the seat is under there. You see it's tucked. Just unclips. So just pull it out like so. The back half of the fabric is pulled out, and you see it's like little hook grooves like right there. You want to basically take the plastic part of the cover, and hook it onto those. You can just pull this whole thing off, replace the foam, but I'm just going to add my seat cushion inside of it right here. All right, so with my foam cushion, I just stuffed it under the seat foam just to give it a little bit more support. And yeah, it should work. I mean, over time this gets soft, you know, start getting hard like an old mattress. So put some more springiness back into it. All right, so all that's placed. You see the cushion still in there. It's nice and smooth. Actually, it looks a little bit more firm. Let's get this bad boy installed, and that's it.